let me tell you what we'll be discussing. It's personal growth and development. Yes, this is what we'll be looking at today on the show. Personal growth and development. That's a personal growth. What does it mean? So this is what we'll be discussing today on the show, 93.3 FM. In case you just tune in, from Kobena Kosti, a brand part the perfect gentleman. Today ECG take show me bam. Madam Paswa, I've met as a fan of mommy who be. I said, Adam a fan as Sayana. Hey, Adam. I can't realize them off lights. And the abaso sa. There was some shirt to be am the bedroom. Then the shirt near some the can carry ECG. Anyways, wow, what can I say? Abaso, me pa Joe, Beba. I just spoke to someone and I said, Charlie, yellow shedding on, one more off be a modern Beba numere. It's one more lights or so. And you may more the abaso, but does soon. Alright, so show produced by Emmanuel Jubo, DJ Shawo, and man like Kobe K. Chaka here and Koma will be at the Casa Video to a higher 93.3 of mid morning. Eje. Edi Jumedia Kenya beto to us. Aha! And there day. Aha no BATA. Aha! And they authentic. Good morning and have a blessed day.
The mid morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Akan Kasiebo.
The mid morning show. Have a blessed day.
Fufu anku obedi nansu wadona ankoni bom mitiwe minya brotira kameko nansu krata samasi mi kwai meko bilsu di yankoni sabai obrachi di me fona ya teme sai my phone me yin kasete samane masamu ya mabo wana baka mame abu oni di anu ya mene brane hu ni mama be mu na be kwene hu sani ya mitia bia mani jebe hu so far kung fu mi see macho amani ati nudo me ko me ba mi mo me da mi no mi see macho amani ati nudo me ko me ba mi mo me da mi no when life is special and self-realization. Have belief in thyself and say you can do for reality. Keep on meditating, never give up in life. God destiny can never be changed. Wise up and no send no pen, no gain. Your prayer and hard work will not be in vain. We learn from our mistakes, we not do it again. Kakaya meditating and the battle for free. And what about Mumuna Kasa would you I need them future, what's so mother way. Me see macho, amani ati nudo. Me ba mi mo, me da mi no. Me see macho, amani ati nudo. Me ba mi mo, me da mi no. Me see macho, amani ati nudo. Me ba mi mo, me da mi no. Me see macho, amani ati
I'm feeling lonely, me I can't want me tonight. Baby, I'm coming, my wife feeling right.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I'm feeling lonely, me I can't want me tonight. Baby, I'm coming, my wife feeling right. Me didn't know my wife and I'm thinking of you. Yeah, I keep thinking of you. Yeah. Although I am number one million, one for me call I am say I can make back. One woman me feeling so secure. Man say one gonna be me. I am miss a few one power before from. One in the net and I feel my sorry. Could it be the last time you're fighting? No, where you want take excuse for that me. Long time, girl, you know I'm missing you. Me travel for day, and I'm energy never. Right now, never say me so good. All I'm ready, I need to hear from you. I'm feeling lonely, me I can't want me tonight. Baby, I'm coming, my wife feeling right. Me dim ya upa, my wife and nice, my wife fine. I'm feeling lonely, me I can't want me tonight. Baby, I'm coming, my wife feeling right. Me dim ya upa, my wife and nice, my wife and nice. Hello, what's
The
the
mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I'm feeling lonely, me I can't want me tonight. Baby, I'm coming, my wife feeling right. Me dim ya umba, my wife and nice, my wife fine. I'm feeling lonely, me I can't want me tonight. Baby, I'm coming, my wife feeling right. Me dim ya umba, my wife and nice, my wife and nice. I'm feeling lonely, me I can't want me tonight. Baby, I'm coming, my wife feeling right. Me dim ya umba, my wife and nice. I'm feeling lonely, me I can't want me tonight.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Any favorite life, I say no. Yeah, maybe I, Sana Mirio. Manante, Nantu Goyo. If I'm a life, I say no. Yeah, maybe I, Sana
Mid-morning
Mirio.
show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
When I met my Mary, son, will be I'm the master man when I'm married. My dog food, have you, Marie, and if I didn't read from our body, baby, I'm a cobia, Minisha. We are sick, will be Joe Viva, will be any movie more now. And my friend, I'm in your vida to shine, yes, shine. I swear I am to you. We meet piano making, Bauba, every hour messa. Come here, my dog, come here, come here, Jenny Penny, come here, they are in danger. No fear in the one life, waiting, Martin, oh, I'm you. Good one, been through. Any favorite life, I say no. Yeah, baby, I, Sana Mirio. Manante, Nantu Goyo. If I'm a life, I say no. Yeah, baby, I, Sana Mirio. Manante, Nantu Goyo. Oh, If you have a man, I miss you. I day, make a car, and I miss you. I day, every I feel my throat. I day, I'm boy, I feel my throat. I day, happy, show me. When I need me away, show me. I'm right here, be through, show me. I yes, I will have an eye too. You will have an eye too.
Right, anyway, I am a mobile kagra. Name mobile and say, looking at the current situation of comfort quade. I say, rather, one show my banana draw. And Yami and Dio call for pipe banana. We don't know, I'm on a draw. So yesterday, someone, a friend of mine, posted on Facebook that Zenka comfort quad releasing new song or can confirm posting is but the current situation, people are posting and people are making mockery of him and all of that. You see, me sometimes meaning cophobia and shadanya dreams are and I am cophobia say one issues but may come with different. So this is how it is. You see, a comfort quad the era near Lord Kenyan or Bravo and Meboa TH for Quadges and the rest. Red Eye money are there. They are doing well. Except Red Eye or you ever find the call a friend say. So Red Eye is also a problem kagra. Yeah, I think it's a hammer before no. Yeah. So apart from Red Eye, which I mean he's okay now. Or Bravo quite the era no. Baby, most of them are living in the UK. The likes of OD4, Abranana, baby, they are living in the UK. It's in your saying, I am my own fan share those around you. Sometimes what character and so can be. I can't say much and I don't know much about comfort quad. But looking at his current situation, what you say no one casa maybe in the lifestyle, but this is my opinion from where I sit, this is what I'm saying. Sometimes our own opinions or certain things we do to ourselves result in so many things. So someone who has hates over 50, over 70 hate songs. I mean, I can say almost all quad songs are hits. But the question is, why is he in this current situation? Now the sales manager, and I did the marketer, the promoter, the manager, and now ABR. I mean, he wasn't able to manage his affairs very properly. Who knows? So sometimes we shouldn't be saying things we don't know. Say Ghana for you and supporting, and our quite the situation I am supporting. Who is not supporting? Make up a question with me. I don't have like career manager. What I say, I don't have a career manager. I am managing my own affairs. So whatever happens to me in the future, I should take responsibility, right? So sometimes whatever happens to people, we shouldn't blame it on Ghanaians. Say Ghana for Obi Obeka say Ghana for support your bravo. Why am I saying bravo? Kwade bia no boa. Opa yan fa microphone and cameras en kokrom en ko dan krom here. Ubenya nkofo be 10 on beto or kwade no like word for word. Meboa. Yeah, you get people that sings a song word for word. So sometimes our personal management is also part of. Maybe he has all the money, he has all the fame, and he couldn't control it. Because in Kofo even control fame. It's difficult for people to control fame. Baby, I mean, they can't manage fame. That is the right way. They can't manage fame. But people are popular. You see, you trim funny idea. Yeah, pop like a crabby. Maybe a pop like a crack. Only the one who's in a popular shabu. Mother's Day, who's outside, Sammy a popular. I want my level 365. Like people were calling me, hey. So I have to be smiling through. And I'm a catcher of wizard. See, my energy on radio is different from my like me outside the radio. So who you are wanting, don't expect to get the same energy I use on radio. I'm a shy type. To whom I want to may expect is it. May Obo Unyas energy no. Me Ferrari it is a me who microphone there. I did the me who microphone and ferry at the other. It's a mic in good time there. About whom you are side energy and man Genesis. It's not a manage your film. Alright, so Calvary Methodist Church. And at 20 years. And you want to celebrate your 20th anniversary on 25th May and at 26th May. Now 25th May activities in the door so pam. Jumedia or mobile neighbor. My patron Shannon say what I can't want home 25th May. Now I'm a cream made a fuck room or down mountain so Nanko Fums and Nanko Poma Bebre. Now 26th May and so on. A special Thanksgiving service. I be a Calvary Methodist Church. What Duxville Station and Quantino Machihonoma. And upon 9 a.m. na yashe Jumedi nasi. Epacho I don't know Bishop Right Reverend Isaac Kwame Boateng, one of the late chairman of his brother Dr. Isaac Danso, very Reverend Kingsley Safo Kwateng, Senate Secretary, Minister in charge, Reverend William Boache Sapon, and now for sorry penny for members ningina or my cambo musabra na. If I'm not on South Afrobia, some baba na wabe kawo hona ya celebrating your 20th anniversary though. Now team that's all a discipleship celebrating 20 years of the goodness of the Lord and growing into Christian maturity. Etibra na yembo munema we any special day. Chairman Honorable William Akwesi Ejapon Kwetu and our speaker Right Reverend Isaac Kwame Boateng, Minister in charge, and I invited guest Honorable Nanaya Wasafuma for Honorable Alex Akwesi Akwa, Honorable Victoria Edu Obrempon Jemfi Safo our Tosumi and Kronti Hene Kotoku traditional area. Oh Basha white because Nyanko Point Bebre Eddie Amae. Hey, instrumental as a mama kai. It's not the same. Hey, as a school they be, back class the ball. Yeah, school they be, back class the ball. Alright, so let's move on to our daily dose of motivation. His name Try Hombra. Yanko share home crying kakra. Na yen try home bra, ye share home crying rare. Now for ya be proper trip. So and our daily dose of motivations and I'll pay say Kai. Yeah, remember that every great achievement starts with a small step. Every great achievement starts with a small step. So hey, don't be afraid to take the first step towards your dreams. And even if it feels scary or uncertain, believe in yourself, your abilities, and your worth. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. So remember, every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Don't give up, even when the road ahead seems tough. Keep pushing forward and know that every effort you make brings you closer to your goals. So our daily dose of motivation this morning. When you say you are strong, resilient, and deserving of success and happiness, keep shining your light and inspire those around you. Make today count and remember to always chase your dreams with passion and purpose. So every achievement starts with a small step. Kwame Despite, before he became Kwame Despite, he was selling cassettes. It wasn't CD, it was cassettes. Frimpong Enterprise, before he became Frimpong Enterprise. Now Opian Hibaro. Go and ask, he will tell you. There are a lot of people who are achieving success, who are achieving great things. They will tell you how they started. Yesterday I saw a news on the internet, and it was about the CEO of Quick Loan. I heard he sold his family TV to what news? Oh, sir, go and check it out. I think I saw it on Zion Felix page. Yeah, he says he sells his but me these things. Anyways, you make a motivate finish me, and now I come in here. On a more serious note, every great achievement starts with a small step. Opeso yeni pa kesiye, opeso yeni pa kesiye. I mean, if you want to achieve something huge, something greater, believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, believe in your capabilities. What I say? Ube unsampa that you know, ube yeni pa kesiye pa. They say quick loan. Papaya o CEO edema quick loan. Or see your tongue, ne papa ne mami TV. Or ton TV no, eno nye sika, ena odi share ni business ase. Enti mo ay mamu quick loan amuntwa no. Mo hu nenti aya na omo buofu no. Odi ne papa TV sika. Ne mami TV sika. Ena odi share business na se. Me pacho. Me tie guy bi so say nia ema ono so Niama ono so ebe yesikedi se area na mama bi tongobe gari ni beans na de bia obeko bia na gari asa na ka beans pa eno nya business idea eno ono so ko fa na mama ntoma ko ton ye na ko to gari olonka mienu e di be si gobera na nchen se da gobera ni gari besa no this wo to gari a sorry to beans a o to gari na nchen sa from olonka mienu na ko olonka 4 na ko olonka 6 sa na fa ko gari bag baako sa nti nkofo beans nkofo to beans a o to gari na nchen sa na mo no so ebe yesigeni you see o shasia with olonka mienu afa ye hu ya se oton gari bag baako me pacho onso hwehwe area mu hono ma di mami no ton benku hono se ne kwan sape kotomoko na twi obi to benku a na wabeto moko wo nchen sa ebi hu asa fe de wo so ye nkwan ne ade na otonton you see business there wo business opportunities edoson just that baby a ube invest usika wo area what no ohoye cool area what transit user no because for faka kokrom koto provisions why don't I set up a provision store in this area but business idea man tell me who say boys wa no bebre na me hwempa boy so ma pe chalote she chalote so de ye di dware what I say makofa chalote aba me pa tro me ton chalote de di dwale ni bi o enye bluebird enye de di ni bi sa nkofo beto o hwe as there be I'm going to brush beton. Is a business idea there? And also, what I say, and there be there be set business idea. What I say, we shall now Omami TV be what town, what town. When your business kakra, now when you capital kakra, no invest. It's any quick loan, CEO no, or turn on family TV, and all this setting up business. Oh, Sadia no. Sanity. Timesrel. Now so person we bia no. Yanka say ukoton amintoma no che de a oso be hye. Ton wa phone. We share phone na. Oh, phone me turn 2000, turn 2500, turn 3000, 4000. Go and sell the phone to Rafland. Go to Rafland obeton ma. Na waton. Na da ko share business ase. Oboka wa lie. Yabasisi a.
Se wa fa mukro na yaru be du muntum kura. Yesu bebrebe ya besi mu yi ana.
Bra kwesi me kunu pnia na epne se me fa ni nko ni krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, ava one herbal capsules and an mixture. Ebubu yare gu for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a eduru a ohia ne ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira ava one herbal mixture so de malaria slow no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobobi Omodosu nyana drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Avano ye ALVA. Edru nyama penfo. Nyoma ne benufo. Ene abofra ondi fie dumienu. Oya malaria test. Na say positive. We durani ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dudu etu a. Ubehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abu main road ne so. Ubenye biso ato a 14 drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim Swedoso. Bosome Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mesha peking crime FDA aji ejwedi nkratoya tu
Mido, answer na de fia ye hwampa o.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina bedwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho me du so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan sai kwada enyoma ani ate se wan. Eye parazo no na me de sie.
Me do me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na ade ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papepata asusu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
anu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo ncha si mu nyina da
ene we de me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
Woman Yamano, Ubenya Biato Kuma, Setakra de Tamale, Ho, Sunyane, Kwako, Wabuase, Bonga, Oda, Ghana Commercial Bangi, NAD Animushe, Sawa Penidoso Pomatua, Ubenya B, Awaka, Swa, Winiba Road, Huankasana Factory, no SCA.
Mamma number no, Namfan Koma Koima, no so from
0242 771 650 and now 0247 576 643.
Medofo, now so Mudini body say.
JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Mafili, esana chile. How ye guy? Minya, baby, I obetina jiwani. I was so mejo. And we here level 360 pop on kwa. And now ubenya sa ultimate experience no. Level 360 pop. E be na pon ato hama. Obi opeso your birthday. Obi opeso your graduation. Make sure empon ho. Ana empo birthday biano. Bra. Sike twie bi anim. Na emom obeton sawa ha. Football games biaso no. Bra. Na behwe. Ye was secure car park. Jack. Your security airtight. Ye wa mantra top ha. Twitter phone muha and I be level 360 pop Jack oh no boys oh no girls munina mon brani engineer besre 0540 535777 0540 535777 na jinchire mu achimidie level 360 pop e be ma ultimate pop experience.
I didn't realize her. Oh, Mr. Q, you have from me. My wife do a good many more. Mr. Q, they say, take it easy. As a word for the how can I take it easy? Ojam, Nibusa, a man saying, and Mukunum, Atoka, my woman. Never Kotaka, and Monogam, after Nipetimachi, ever show. Woman, if Rabana, and yet you compare me, dream, Mr. Q, be banum, Nami Husa, may your back. Now, man, putting no be firewood, a true dear here, and no one say, why am you said you sure to what was the call? Ojam, we don't know. Is that a petrapa? And I saw Banos or the cone. How? Woman, you a reset the Padina, and I say, it don't know the house of firewood. Unyashio, Kunlun Ghana Limited at Aroma. What did Mr. Q? Abbey, I didn't know what's out shop and come no did our mean. What did I say? Jibiconum, a sa wako heba, chemical, and a pharmacy. Do also a wako Kunlun Ghana Limited.
Our down call LB Amwafu, the Netrumesi, Kennedy Drug Store, Well Green Pharmacy. Mama Doris was asking for soup. Francis Mesa was asking for soup. Frank and Doctor Pharmacy were a Sukuba and Ben Brakwa, unable to afford Kulum pay for 0504 906665 and 0545 906665.
Thank you, because you must say, I like that.
FD Ashosha sa ejedi enkrato yi mu agya to mu se eye.
Asempepe bi amati oye asempepe bi amati offer oye
Asem papa be na watia offer oye ye di asem de no
oh menua eye HJ Africa domini CSR Ghana heya eno makabom eno ma me how to atwa nei metu sa nwum yo o makofa organic fertilizer ba eye wafuo ni ye esiesi asase epammoa na ma wono ba no eso doso
kuafo ene fertilizer ho ye din yenya bi kura nto ebo no so ayetare
eno so tiri mani essence offer kakra bi bottle ba ko 2 acres ebeye ne kama na besusu se doso enu ntina me bo hu dawuro ediama Ghana kuafo nyina se opo ma kira kwan a from 055 5592707 and I say 05045944469. Any baby a talk where you know bia.
Offer organic fertilizer.
As a baby offer. Oye.
Offer.
Oye.
Offer.
Oye. Offer kakrebi suno ba no.
Ebesu.
from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem. Sawudi Wajuma Shamisa, Mesha say, Wisika Enco Waste, Inti, Metomino Manina Free Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensanche, Enti Sawupe Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna say, Simaf, Nina, Ubenyebi Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensanche, Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size, Nina, Ubenya Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Chain, our Kameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editioning, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there. This is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabana Cost. What?
Be your lover, they want cause you be my killing me. So why you they make it they look like I did rush you pee? I make you understand, say love you make it giddy. Look into my eyes, wine, Philly.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabana Cost.
What? Get the heat. I they come with straight up to the peak. Oh, Papa, they radum so. Oh, Mama, they radum so. Oh, sister, they radum so. She been on the throat, so winking up. I come off and I take me, young Mimbuna, and with Simba reason at the real day, Juma, or Piebo, what did I dear Quechima, what a tema, Tamafahin, Tibudimatema, the Mamma dear, the Papa Sukrapoma, and guess a religion whom we poor Biasoma. I shall win up for the young Conqua, just some pipe, a few rice, one genoa, but Temabuano, Mini Bintimamua, one on the Jamabakari, eh, Billy Patakwa, as I see that they be a one among near Mabapa, Pivia, Mosia Yamua to Fiaka, as long to be a man, Sakana de Yamia, but the work that came out of 5 Lady Bianca. If you get you man be too fair, so to give you a bar. And this under your puma, no, that was a champagne. I have done still a maintain. I bet shoot is skin pain. The group no, the giant complain. It's the way you did, you must bet. This
girl could they kill me?
Money no be problem.
When I see her by the mess up, baby why you they do me so? She they mash up my head oh. This girl they go they make her go colo. Hey, the way you did be my speckle. This girl doesn't kill me.
It's been a long time since I saw Millicent, but she will always be my number one chick. Cause I put a mini bow, no one on the team. I say, Charlie EL, go back out. To the hook up the man up. If it's an abonning, singing Suja for sofa. Then time penny pim. If it's an America, and so one of the fan of who want to be to pa. But here, whoa. For that government die, and you will see the view, which you become on the crowd. But you go to the figure, what they will call the flexi. And the baby do, I'm in a nigga, and they didn't get a key. I sit in the movie, but you were down here, it's in the movie. I'm going to give me the sense.
Some of them there, you me see, but you low, I'm a flash, I'm a classy, I'm a come on, enjoy my love, come follow me, spend my money. Money, my love, come follow me, spend my. Make you follow me, bumper to bumper. When I stop, try to stop, when I stop, try to stop. Make you follow me, bumper to bumper. But we know go stop to celebrate. Make you follow me, bumper to bumper. If you want to enjoy, follow my convo. Make you follow me, bumper to bumper. If bad belly, people come, we accelerate. Make you follow me, bumper to bumper. Follow me, bumper to bumper. Follow me, bumper to bumper. Don't need to ask no question, just follow my lead. Follow me, bumper to bumper. To make sure I don't need you to eyes on me. Follow me. Soon as I step into the door, see all the girls dancing on the floor. So DJ, please give me some more. Say now one day go, they asking for. Oh, show you galore. No it's in the place, you know the score. Let the people jumping off the wall. And we keep the club bumping, that's for sure. See, I never seen a party like this. The baby, they make people high like this. They jolly like say, they smoke cannabis. They dance like say, they fight Chinese. That's why I tell you golden kiss. For all of now, they blow this kiss. No be can't cover on a golden kiss. As soon as I don't join me, they rock like this. Take this is, make it follow me, bumper to bumper. When I stop, make it stop. When I stop, try stop. Make it follow me, bumper to bumper. But we know go stop to the celebrate. Make it follow me, bumper to bumper. If you want to enjoy, follow my convo. Make it follow me, bumper to bumper. If bad belly, people come, we accelerate. Make it follow me, bumper to bumper. Make it follow me, bumper to bumper. Make it follow me, bumper to bumper. Don't need to ask no question, just follow my lead. Make it follow me, bumper to bumper. To make sure I don't need you to eyes on me. Make it follow me. Oh, yeah, come see what's in the sea. People pop champagne and the NSC. Everybody in the club, they be feeling me. Say na bumper to bumper, na my degree. Along for me, rush like Indomie. Every time I drive by, then they feel the breeze. I make their heads on 360 degrees, cause they don't want to miss to get the gleams.
jam, one finger in the air. Charlie, one finger in the air. If you down with the jam, one finger in the air. Charlie, one finger in the air. See, up in the club, Charlie with the pop champagne. Pop champagne. We got dough, so we never take complain. No complain. If you get money, money, let's go call you honey, honey. You don't get money, money. Same let's go call you monkey, monkey. So get the money, money, get the money, money. Make it do and after girls. Get the money, money, get the money, money. Make it do.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Ahenkan Anna, and you're listening to Akan
A woman with enough body. Oh, yeah, nice baby. Oh, boy, dear, oh, your dust, yeah, oh, your summer, yeah, oh, yeah, nice shoddy. A woman with enough body. Oh, yeah, nice baby. Oh, boy, dear, oh, your dust, yeah, oh, your summer, yeah, oh, yeah, nice shoddy.
She dey call me honey, she dey call me baby, she dey call me sweetie. Where I dey call am jolly. She dey call me honey, she dey call me baby, she dey call me sweetie. Where I dey call am jolly. She say baby I so. She the baby I so. She say baby I so. She the baby I so. No dirty a one kasa. Na se bijeja many money fi mi sa na se mi ankasa. Eyana mi bisa mi hu po se na ye hwan ba. Na ne tumpo ni ni pedwa su jina so ankasa. She menya wi mi wada ho. Mi di mi ni pedwa ka ho. Me be bobo mi kukum keka nyina no. Na mi di aka ne ho. Ade ba ko a me pe won ho. Oda ne no ho ko so wo so. Now she no pokia ne bua. Girly baby ya.
A woman with enough body. Hey, oh yeah, nice baby. Oh boy, dear, oh your dust, yeah, oh your summer, yeah, oh yeah, nice baby. A woman with enough body. Hey, oh yeah, nice baby. Oh boy, dear, oh your dust, yeah, oh your summer, yeah, oh yeah, nice baby.
She dey call me honey, she dey call me baby, she dey call me sweetie.
Where are they call am jolly? She dey call me honey, she dey call me sweetie.
She dey call me sweetie.
Where are they call am? Aye, so bolo, oyobolo. That's right. So a woman with enough body, the Naboro. Seva. Ankasa, dankasa. SM ankasa. Eya wanaba. Aye. Just ankasa. I said, "Hey, Benya no dey me wada ho." La me da kane ho. Ayo bolo. Ah, Seva, Eva, oyo bolo.
Baby, all for you, make you know they share plus nobody. All for you, so save it all for me. Even a heavy load, I go carry for you. Yeah, baby, all for you, make you know they share plus nobody. All for you, so save it all for me. Even a heavy load, I go carry for you.
The whole fan wolf for bolo precon. Because bright price no nigga the same range. But they say two full bolo precon and just our proper cheddar to grab. Big shouts to all the bolo ladies. Uyo bola mami boza. Bolo de unyao. And I shall was today. Baby also. Hey, you bolo, baby, also. all the chubby ladies. Since you had the mom, no. What's it? Obolofo. Oh yeah. Bema bia ne mpena na yiri obolo bia bema Nyankopon hira no. Oh yeah, bema na mpena obolo Nyankopon hira kan amen. Ana yiri obolo Nyankopon hira kan say amen. Obolo unya. Ha unya obolo shawo. Oh jai. Obolo for their blessings. Obolo for mu yenhira. E na mi kire obolo for yenhira ba. Obolo jai. But never said you are suspecting Koulibaly. Sabe kaya? Yeah. Ogusu taive. What's up, Obolo? Obolofo. Koulibaly is Obolofo me dwane no. Hey, Koulibaly. Jale ma yenton de. Obolofo Nyankopon hira mo. Obolo bia. Dami hira mo. Obolo tweet sa abiyo. Obolofo nyina. Aya da announce na make a job say obefa atia don kopon beto akoma nga fa fo obolo tweet. Anamewa atia bete wa koma panka fa obolo toyi obolo chai ago to da madwe nya grao OD Media and I say OD Media ODI Multimedia OD Media ODI Electronics be job be a shop no where in Quantenum direct opposite MTTU. And it's open TV at open air conditioners, open fridge, deep freezers, washing machine, open ceiling fan, furniture away, or honmana, copper, no money be not to be. Na send it to say, over to me, a half payment, and so be over making half payments. Now they are can amount 3 months. I will try to kranga. The channel song say OD Media. About the amount 0550-900-600 0550-900-600 a Jumera from Pond Enterprise a batch of from Pond Enterprise brand abedija about the provisions cosmetics which we are from Pond Enterprise they are Chimodan Kroma. Say I have a from Pond Enterprise. From Pond Air Provisions, from Pond Air Cosmetics, from Pond Air Electrical Accessories, from Pond Air Drinks. Now from Pond Enterprise, you are quite watching Mandarina Hotel as your honor. Or and I'll be the main shop no about chocolate na Kodija. Afe you buy a big Joe phones in China so I drink shop or honor. And also drink how pay near alcohol anymore. Sure, Bray swear na be pebitanza. Afe my phone call Liberty Lane mo akona na story building or na so be home from Pond Electricals. Take up electrical accessories be episode to from Pond Enterprise no. E ba cho na benye biato. Oba achimodan Quantenum new marketing so from Pond Enterprise shop wo hono ma. Just say the episode to be a drink so provisions so electrical gadget so about us open fridge akoye from Pond Enterprise shop on new market one open DSTV decoder open multi TV decoder near open so to be an call from Pond Enterprise na kopebito okoye OG and bank will total filling station hono so they will drink shop hono ma they serve the people of Achimoda what they say dibra na betobito the pebito near there afi Absa Bank opposite no or ena from Pond Enterprise latest edition or honewo and this we call from Pond Enterprise shop na wo fufro na ewo Absa Bank opposite na hono dey be make catch us here Pond yes 24/7 shop no obi on two muda enti wo so betimi akọ no akodidwa from Pond Enterprise sebra na nyoma na nyina ya papa na nyia so ne boyfo to fo bo obi a betimi atobi nsemu openi akwara obia ebeti back from Pond Enterprise akodiga Fre ejuma anasa Fre from Pond that was 0244897525 0206 4739530 0242 111236 Edroye Eba Center was a for yare ne bra na atete wa che osi yare to da on e ma peni dani akwara yare tibima openi e akwara Lanshen kwala ban bebre na uboza o mami wo pesomando do o mami opese yare ntia Papa cho fa unipa no ana odofo no fa ne call Edroye Eba Center na yare bia etete no omo into asiye enfama no Edroye Eba Center wo the pure herbs na wo de sayare o doctor for no ni made ye afa nurses nso wo mo ewa abotre de ma obibia enti say 3D yare eye koko bema wayemre ewo mpemu na obi asabi wonya ennamu yare odi woni twemo ye Edroye Eba Center obeboa wa face one hour pressure one hour diabetes ningina odi be Edroye obeboa na fe wotu yare na se edema the track kwan wa Penny Junction opposite Handset Beauty Salon achimso edru kwan so 0599419321 0599419321 Mauli Fruitus Ventures Patronetry akwan wa ya achim so abe achim wanchi Mauli Fruitus Ventures say open excavator open bulldozers area here wajume bia say mining and I say construction works and away na open excavators and say bulldozers there we patcho for nitrium away Mauli Fruitus Ventures na be pebi renting afa iso ye canopies ye kunya ye mattress I they rent it for all occasions or for all programs obaya so ya obenye bi I rent it this out ye cars e wo hono ma ye be deliver on your money them free friend was 0591 470 857 and 0200 787 889 Mauli Fruitus Ventures, we serve you the best. Now Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensah. Jump Trading Enterprise eton adanse ho nyoma enti adanse ho nyoma problems eni ho adanse ho nyoma beto awaso mejo adanse ho nyoma beto a we service ka Jump Trading Enterprise ho na benye biato and they say you see maf cement diamond cement and I be open na do carpenter ni open na do ato e de di ujuma steel bender open iron rods mo amoye POP afi mo amode plaster boards juma mo amode marine boards juma mo center panels corner moldings wall angles ningina me show for ni twemo Jump Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensah Chairman Mensah papa we why guy papa apart from so your guy no sounds so ever butre pa enti ade bia wo pese to e won nchen so pese ni di dwa no pe pa cho kwa obenya abutre ni wasinkunya na de twase mo de ton krata so mo da ton krata so de twase wo de ma wo hona so no na o de ma wo hona Mr. Mensah Chairman Mensah what's if friend no na asem ya pese obusa ni bia no ba ye krado so be yi wa no 0208 123 0244566880 0208 123 872 0244566880 asema peso busa ni bia no e pa cho busa no after level 360 pop level 360 pop you may catch us my ultimate pop experience. So if you are looking for the ultimate spot to unwind and have a blast, then look no further than level 360 pub, located on a Mantra Jubilee Hospital Road. At level 360 pub, you got it all. I mean, great music, delicious drinks, and a lovely atmosphere that will keep you grooving all night. So whether you are celebrating a special occasion or just looking for a fine night out with friends, the Level 360 Pub is the place to be. Our friendly staff will make sure you have an unforgettable experience, serving your favorite cocktails and ice cold beers with a wide range of music genres, from the latest hits to throwback classics. Our talented DJ will keep the dance floor packed and the energy high. So get ready to show off your moves and make memories that will last a lifetime. So Level 360 Pub got you sorted. Brad Level 360. Na Brad number G1 is what they say. And Pon ya GB our Level 360 birthday party. Ya kwanya eda ho eda ma Level 360. Program our person ye bia number Level 360. Na be G1 person boys CP. The only place in Akemodan here allow smoke. Yes. Smoke yeah allow crowd but sound. You see, and you'll be a smoke sense. So our hallmark is to make sure beer safety very high. So you can come and sit with your husband, with your wife. You have nothing to worry about. Yeah, my young boy, be a shit and goose or sabe. That's our hallmark. If you come there, I've sacked like 4 people. Sack that go sack you. I go talk to you nicely, but if one say that we go sack you, don't come and smoke at Level 360. We do not smoke at 360 because of our executive kind of pop. What I say? 1824. Every team I bet now say our Level 360. Echibra, the ultimate pop, the nice experience at Level 360 pop. The fun never stops. So call us on 0540-535777, 0540-535777. Level 360 pop, bra. Na bejiwani. Enchena, the lifestyle segment abrew. Now don't cool ventures, the tonsan, the alcohol woman, the alcohol any. And you know. Program be an open Santa say yeah for engagements and our program birthday parties open Santa for the trim or don cool ventures and some who do episode to be a baby from club to Guinness to Casa Precum product to be a to soft drinks. Then in our level don cool ventures yeah what edema you try quite our or down main road Sunny Star Plaza Bronsanasi. There was 0555-486-990 and 0556-252-668. Now I'm checking above your lifestyle segments. And in your lifestyle segment, you know, you share personal growth and developments. Personal growth and developments. And no any share in there on the lifestyle segments. Yeah. My show said this is an educative show. In case you just tune in and I know first time tuning in to 93.3 FM, this is how we run the show. Once again, a big shout out to all the Obolos and all the chubby girls. Nimsi say oh Nimsi say nyame insura obolofo nyina. So all right, so before me refer so a happy birthday to my brother Kwame Pablo. Kwame Pablo, it's your birthday today. You're a prisons officer. Charlie, happy birthday to you, Kwame Pablo. Right, so 42 minutes after 11:93.3 of we're still on, we're still here. Let's get into it.
Have a blessed day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Ahenkan Akan, and you're listening to Akan Kasiebo
Pretty girls sit chulo. It be like every day, B.I. Find a girl cry, 2 or 3 girls there, Charlie Bingo. For El Gringo, for my dingo. Me then Gino, maybe a jingle. Once for disco, I know be stable. She fed to toe, she just to yo. Go, with some vision blow. So, here we go. Over mingo, single, say no go swallow, no yo hollow, can you go? If you say map, na me and Nabo, to a treasure, you numero uno. Your dimple lips in your nipple, Bakaya got me hollering a Gino. Okay, let's make a video, I gon' make it famous, but I know be Gino.
Come on, this girl, she the love boys too, mom. This boy, he the love girls too, mom. This girl, she the love boys too, mom. She be what? She whoa. This girl, she the love boys too, mom. This boy, he the love girls too, mom. This girl, she the love boys too, mom. She be what? She whoa. Damn girl, you up a boy sama. Damn boy, you up a girl sama. Damn girl, you up a boy sama. Oh yeah, bad. She whoa. Damn girl, you up a boy sama. Damn boy, you up a girl sama. Damn girl, you up a boy sama. Oh yeah, bad. She whoa. And I do any cool. Mama, bone and I'm on your door. When I die, it's all about over your four. But I know she's when you bet your woo. See me, they start seeing me put 7 you. When you're man, my big group, no, my same. When you're a free beam, put my legend. When you're watching it, and one of your payments in one man. Cabula, I told anyone, when you're going to penny. I just want to know what you're
It's gonna be a war in the club. It's gonna be a war in the club. She just wanna commit a crime. She just wanna commit a crime. Kadum dum 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 dum. Kadum dum 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 dum. Kadum dum 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 dum. Makuma, punching the mame, Otto Makuma, punching the mame, oh Makuma, punching the mame, Otto Makuma, punching the mame. Auntie Arabe, what am I seeing? Auntie Arabe, what am I seeing? Oh girl, you want me to commit a crime? Your son of one mommy take you right, one mommy temperature not for the high, one mommy whom when you get me so man, I'm never too bigger. Feelings I think I'm a party branga. At to Makuma, by a demacoda, Minibu Mielu, and Paye, by your strap up for so by a day our club, and I am in the small set and me drop. And you need them to be my only.
Hey. The moment I decided to talk, somebody is playing my favorites. I'll cool it down. Cool it down. Hey. Charlie Mugis, all time favorites, man. When you want me coming up, Indiana Jam coming up, they say their mom in Saka, Bebre or Hima. Who knew what men coming up? A drama, men coming up. Say, dear mommy, Sanka, breath. Make her drink every day. Make her take my heart and play. If you are going to carry it. What do you dancing, Sika? Hey, yeah. Shall I call me TPM and love with a stripper? To make headlines, I'm loud on the speaker. So my girl hears them calls with tears. She sometimes a baby. Please don't fear it's false. You know your peers, of course. They talk them, they libby, you be my baby. In you I trust. Sometimes you they drive me crazy, but I'll never stop. It's been rough lately, but I'll never flop. And to the God that made me move forever pop. Pop something. I'm here in the club with Kim Bling. Stop, front and come chill with us. Win. Let's cool it down. Right, so cool it down, baby. Something out to peace. Cool it down. Alright, so you're room. The lifestyle segments, and I told you today we discussing personal growth and development. Make sure they take my heart to play. If you are good, they carry it. Baby, tell me this. I said, to Allah. Voila. Hey. So you fall listen to my word. I have it in my head. I go spread it on. So I think this one came somewhere 2010. 2010, 2009, 2010. Yeah. That time I knew baby I'm missing Lewis Little enough for me. I say. And you baby I'm copy here. Make no they take my heart they play. Alright, so let's move on to our lifestyle segment, and today we discuss the personal growth and development. And I'll be able to say what is personal growth and development. So it refers to the process of improving oneself through various activities, experiences, and practice. So my main call now some points or some tips on personal growth and development. So our first point here say set goals. Yeah, if you want to develop yourself, or if you want to, if you want to develop on your personal growth, you need to set goals. So set goals is you identify areas you want to improve and set specific, measurable, and achievable, relevance and time-bound goals. That is what we call SMARTs. Yeah, and over setting specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant and time-bound goals. If you really want to improve on yourself, set goals. Now, number 2, practice self-awareness. Practice self-awareness. So understand your strengths, weakness, values, and emotions to make informed decisions and improvements. You get it? You need to practice self-awareness, and you need to see your strengths and your weakness, where you think you are weak at. Don't be pushing yourself into that areas. Be pushing yourself to where you think, Charlie, I am a stronghold. I had the other before, I go kill them. Simple. So practice self-awareness. And point number 3, develop a growth mindset. Develop a growth mindset. Now embrace challenges, learn from failures, and believe your abilities. Can be developed through dedications and efforts. You need to develop growth mindsets. What did I say? And you need to learn from failures. This morning I was having a conversation with the landlady. We were having this deep conversation. I was saying, Charlie, this is how life is. Sometimes you should accept failures. Sometimes you should also work and jump over failures. What did I say? So what develop wide dreams are, you won't be disappointed in life. Who grew me wide dream do baby say a thought that I will to me failing. etoda enyoma betimi akoye etoda enyoma enkoye so u grumi wa dream drusa enyoma en shock you bebre but what the other dream say oh I will say there be enyoma right things should be always positive and that but 10 negative you'll be very much disappointed. What I say until develop what dream na tuning in a way say you will learn from failures and overcome challenges at home. Say, oh, I will say something easy. What I say, and believe say your abilities can be developed through dedications and efforts. So point number 4, surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positivity. That is our point number 4. So build a supportive network of people who encourage and inspire you. Surround yourself with positivity. If you really want to improve on yourself, if you really want to achieve greatness, you need to surround yourself with positivity. One can share circles, people you call your friends. Are these people who will inspire you? And I mean, are they people who are very supportive? And you'll be an down for. I keep saying this. The fact that I didn't come on doesn't mean I'm down for. What I say? Me, I want supportive people. Those I can turn back or I can pick phone and call them and ask them for, some relevant ideas. On the person mature. You want to be one of our phone friend now they will problem to you. Want to me only if you're poor job. Only if you want to me can't job. And to know we are now one near Brabana about surrounding home with supportive people. And yes, you can go on. And yeah, Obi supportive. That doesn't mean any partner supportive. Obi wait to support you. Ideas. Yes. About young trans young far drain. You see, these people are people you must always surround yourself with. So surround yourself with positivity, and let yourself build a supportive network of people who encourage and inspire you. So I don't for being anti-mission, I don't for being any sort of motivations. You are in the wrong circle. You are in the wrong circle. So point number 5. Point number 5. We say take care of your physical health. Take care of your physical health. So regular exercise and healthy eating and sufficient sleep are essential for mental and emotional growth. I did the year. Did the year na rush ni kosi no ye. DJ Nelson Kwan di rush energy drink not the di kosi. Bosu obayale o. Ukra usani health insurance. Okay, kotukura as for na ye be man. E bia ne basa na gu ni yem. Otan kan. Me pacho. She wo dwan di mu ye. One way dwan na ye. Aya balance wo dwan no. With the beans kakra. Na with the cabbage kakra. With the rice kakra. With the fruits kakra. With the kabo na no pa kabo ewia kabo enumere kabo. Hey. Constipation but you. It's exercises so. Oh no why exercise. My mama recommended gym amount. Recommended gym for more. I go OB Fitness Hub and Gym. I exercise. Did ye? What I say, take care of your physical health. Nanya enough sleep. Sufficient sleep. Da. Me say da. Me say da o. Da pa na o say wada. Ni pa so ye dey. E Bible book class ayada. Say o Bible. Bible said that. Da. Ada yankwa na ne wonam hana na unya rest. Ada wo ye covenant do more. You die yo. Rest. It's your 5 points I dey ma woni. That proud preacher. Father said. And our father the message be to group no more there. And I want it. Say we Torrents. what can I go for Santa for? Anyway, you see, young call your property that any Wednesday. I'm here to match Thursday and the council doing by him bidding come on. You see, you fall on my patch. Wow, go so can lights no. So, what off on Kwan who 7 bedroom. But now,